Did you listen? Did you hear me?
The answer isn't maybe.
Concrete walls and fluorescent glare. Another line you think you can just hear. My boundaries are wires charged to the max. Don't touch the hardware, don't try to relax. You see a green light, a flicker, a glance. That's just the signal for the no-go dance. You're projecting fantasies onto my skin, but the factory floor is locked from within. My mouth is not a broken speaker. My body's not a silent bleeder. It's a fortress forged in iron and dread. You must ask the guardian what she said. It's a zero-sum game. You get a yes or you get nothing. Zero-sum game. No space for your blurring or bluffing. I said stop. That means the circuit is cut. I said stop. Lock the door, bolt the strut. My body is mine. The blueprint's defined. You cross the border, you get left behind. You think silence means submission, you're wrong. You think ambivalence is a love song. I don't owe you sweetness, I don't owe you soft. My refusal is shouted from the highest loft. The manual is simple, the language is clear. Enthusiastic agreement must be here. Anything less than a ring and solid chime means you are treading on stolen time. My mouth is not a broken speaker. My body's not a silent bleeder. It's a fortress forged in iron and dread. You must ask the guardian what she said. It's a zero-sum game. You get a yes or you get nothing. Zero-sum game. No space for your blurring or bluffing. I said stop. That means the circuit is cut. I said stop. Lock the door, bolt the strut. My body is mine. The blueprint's defined. You cross the border, you get left behind. I don't care what you thought I meant. I don't care where your money went. I don't care how much alcohol. The line is where I put the wall. My decision can be withdrawn from dusk till dawn. Every second, every breath, every single pawn. It can change. It can change. It can change. And the answer is no. Get out of range. It's a zero-sum game. You get a yes or you get nothing. Zero-sum game. No space for your blurring or bluffing. I said stop. That means the circuit is cut. I said stop. Lock the door, bolt the strut. My body is mine.